Mga ka-TH, so may nagpagawa sa akin na 3 telescopic antenna. Isa siyang sabihin nating militar or police sa bansang Jordan, sa Mafraq City. Ang kanyang pangalan ay Omar Awad. So ito yun. Maaaring napapanood ako ngayon kaibigan natin, yung friend ko from Jordan na si Omar Awad. Brother, this is your order, 3 telescopic antenna with gold wire in every pointing of antenna. Okay, so this is adjustable. Okay, you can move right here. Up and down. Or you can balance in the center. Okay, so mamaya itetest natin ito. Mamaya itetest ko ito para ipakita kay hindi natin masabing ka-TH yun kasi di ko alam kung saan niya gagamitin to Kaya brother na Omar Awad ng Jordan country, ikaw na bahala mag-translate. Di ko ma-translate ng mahaba sa English. Okay, so test natin mamaya para makita natin kung siya ay magana. So you can put your any additional load here. Example, old coins or metal or any metal like this. Okay, the handle is detachable, so you can easy to handle it. Handy. By tomorrow I will send it to Mr. Omar Awad to Jordan through DHL Express. Thank you for trusting brother Omar Awad from country of Jordan. Okay, let's do the test for your order. Okay, good evening my brother from Jordan, Mafraq City. This is your order, 3 telescopic antenna with gold wire. As you request, I need to test for demo. I just pull the antenna. Okay, so this is our target. Okay, this is your order, Brother Omar Awad from Jordan, city of Mapra. This is your test for your order. Thank you.